Hi, I'm Julien, and today I'm going to show you my unboxing video of Umarak the Hunter from LEGO Bionicle 2016. This is set 71310. It's got 172 pieces. It's ages 8 to 14. On the back it shows that you can take Uksar, Creature of the Jungle, add Uksar with Umarak, and turn it into a cool thing. And there is a comic. But now let's get to the important part, actually unboxing this thing. We've got a bag, another bag, instructions, and a skull creature sword. Now, there's a tiny bag and a big bag with tons of pieces. We have the Mask of Control and Umarak's green mask, which I think are pretty cool. Now, let's start building. So I'm back from building the time-lapse video, from doing time-lapse. Now, Umarak the Hunter is actually a pretty big and impressive set, I have to admit. And while building this, I wondered how LEGO managed to figure out how to build this. So, now let's actually get to the functions. If you pull back the horns, his mask will fall off. Now, the Mask of Control, which comes in the set, will actually show on his face, which does actually look pretty cool. Again, it will fly, but Umarak's normal mask actually goes with it. Also, if you see the little orange piece that makes his eyes, if you push down on that, the mask will fly. So, one of the functions is, in the set, of course it can move around a lot, like all Bionicle sets can, but if you guys twist this, these bullets will fire. Now, this part in the back can twist this. Now, it doesn't go all the way in a 360, so that can be a bit difficult. If you guys want to do a 360 with it, it can be difficult. But another thing about this set is, if you guys see the sword on the side, you can take it off and put it in his hand. I was going to show you, but I can't. Now, before I got this set, I prepped for the Mask of Control and made a Makuta. Now, Umarak might actually be taller, even not including the horns. Umarak could be taller and definitely have more pieces. But with the Mask of Control on, Makuta looks pretty epic, I have to say. Now, Umarak still is a really cool, successful set. Spin around for you. Also, on the back you can put the creature, any kind of creature, but we have the creature of jungle right here. He might look a bit broken, but that's okay. If I can figure out how to put this thing out. There we go. Now, it looks epic. Spin around for you. Now, Umarak, I have to still say, I can't stop saying this, it is a very successful set. Now, I'm going to end this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.